Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Galindo. Today we're going to be doing a short tutorial on installing the Prusa slicer. This is the first in the series of using Prusa printers at Marriottville High School, though obviously anyone who's got Prusa printers is welcome to use these tutorials as well. So the first thing you're going to need to do to be able to use these 3D printers is install the slicer on your computer. To do that, you may have a teacher who has put the slicer link directly into Daymap under Resources. Alternatively, for anybody playing at home, or if that link's not there, simply Google Prusa slicer. You're looking for the prusa3d.com website /Prusa slicer. Once you select that, you will open the web page that looks like this. Scrolling down, you want to download the latest version, but I would suggest that rather than just selecting the download this version 2.0.0, you go to the full release log. Often that downloads the installer for every computer program, and that takes a bit of time. You'll be taken to GitHub. This will enable you to select the most up-to-date slicer install package for your operating system. So we've got DMG for Apple, Tarbiz and App Images also work for Linux, Windows 32 in a zip file, and Windows 64. I happen to be a Windows 64 zip file, so I'm going to select that. Once it starts downloading, this download file is a lot smaller than the large single press button on their website. It's about 200 megabytes. These are less than 20. Once you have downloaded it, you'll need to locate this zip file. Mine's in the downloads folder, but I've already moved it into the temporary folder that I have on my computer. A zip file, if you don't know how to unpack it, is easily extracted by right-clicking and going Extract All. It automatically selects the current folder to be where it extracts to. Selecting Extract will then create a new folder of the same name, but not zipped. Once you've done this, my suggestion is you copy and paste this folder onto your desktop. Right-click, copy, go to Desktop, and you can paste it there. Alternatively, you may want to paste it into your computer program files. So if you go to this PC, which is a shortcut on the left, Windows C drive, if you have access, program files, and this is where I paste my folder. Having done that, you're then able to launch the Prusa slicer program, grouping the folder. You're looking for the one that's just called Prusa-slicer. Upon launch, it'll ask you to organize and select what model printer that you are using. For us in this case, because I've already installed it on this computer, it seems to have remembered that setting. However, the wizard will normally pop up something like this. Welcome to the Prusa configuration wizard. You select Next. You select the appropriate printer you have. For Marriottville students, we have an i3 Mark III's with 0.4 nozzles. Click Next. We do not have a SL printer yet. We skip past the custom printer setup, and I usually have the check for application updates and update built-in presets automatically, just because that's helpful to keep all of the settings tip-top when they make changes. And once you've done that, you have successfully opened and launched the Prusa slicer. The next video will start with all of you at this stage. Good luck.